What's up, everyone? My name is Teddy, and welcome to Realize TV. Tonight, we're here in an undisclosed location where it turns out John got himself a new shop. And he's not here tonight, so we're going to snoop around and take a look. I think it's the one on the very end, but I'm not totally sure. Ah! What? Chuck, what are you doing here?
I heard John got a new shop. What are you doing here? What is that?
Well, we came for the shop. We came to investigate.
Oh. Is this for Realize TV?
Yeah.
You guys are still on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh. Does this thing work? Testing.
Yes, it's legit, Chuck. We're legit now. Chuck, I don't have all night. Do you want to go check this out or what?
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, I guess this is it. But John's not here. It's Tyler.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
It's going.
Look at this place.
There's some stuff. My stuff. Mostly. Some of it's John's.
So John is moving in here
He thinks so. We're just gonna keep his stuff.
and lock him out.
We've got upstairs windows, and I have water balloons.
I like where this is going. Can we take a look?
We can. After you.
Let's snoop around. This place is pretty big.
Who is this guy?
Oh, this is Tyler from Outsliders. Don't you know?
Officially, this is Carnage Auto Styling, home of Outsliders, new storage facility for that teal.
Garbage team. That is us.
Say it. He said it.
Wow. Well, this place is pretty massive, Tyler.
Yeah, we've only been here for a few weeks, and we've already gone through and stained the floors, setting up racks, trying to get things livable and workable.
Where does the pool table go? That's the most important one I want to know.
We got plenty of room. Maybe set up some air hockey, skee ball. I don't think we have room for a basketball hoop.
I think you're not dreaming big enough, Tyler. What's in here?
Bathroom number 1 of 5. This one has a shower. I think there's still a cockroach in there. You can go.
No! Baby, speak the camera.
That's fantastic.
This bad boy will hold so many tires.
Well, I see you have an extensive wheel collection.
This is only a small portion of the heavy investment in aluminum that I've been making over the last couple of years. Wrap them in rubber. They're essentially useless.
So where's John gonna keep his stuff?
I'll show you his room.
He has a room. Oh.
We actually approved it because yesterday the door opened inwards, so it's so much more spacious now that we took the door and flipped it.
I mean, John's Altezza is not that big, so it'd probably fit the whole car in here. Okay, well we've seen John's room, but I think I saw a glimpse of teal over there.
There is some teal over there if you want to see it.
I think we want to see it. Come on, Chuck. Oh wow.
Gotta walk through a bathroom to get to the office?
Well, you could have taken the long route, but the traffic is horrible this time of night.
We're not gonna do that.
No. Well, look at this.
Someone left some teal here, and I don't know what we're gonna do with it.
John knows what he's doing. He's just sprinkling a little bit of the curse here, a little bit of the curse there. What do you know about the teal curse, Tyler?
Burn it with fire.
You have a lot of offices, though,
We have a couple for office type dealings.
such as like Yakuza dealings. Oh, we don't mention that, sorry. Can't put that in the video.
This is going to be engine storage room, so engine assembly, engine bits and pieces are just going to get strewn here. Whenever somebody grenades something, we'll just throw it on the carpet over there, or cardboard, but we might keep this lovely shade of pink we got going on. Come over here and I'll show you one of my other favorite features. Chuck, if you would take 2 steps that way.
Wow. What? Now, what would you use this feature for?
I haven't the slightest idea what it. All right, now that you guys have seen the downstairs, let's head upstairs and I'll show you the rest.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, I'm gonna use the bathroom first before we go upstairs. But, okay.
Teddy, this
Chuck, this is the same bathroom. No, this
Use it
no,
first.
no, this is the same bath. Chuck, we can't. You need to go use another bathroom.
I was in here first.
No, I walked in the door first. You came in second. I have priority.
Give me the mic.
No, what are you? Chuck.
There aren't two separate restrooms.
Now let's go upstairs.
Okay, let's go upstairs. Show us the upstairs.
Upstairs living room 1.
Wow. Oh.
Over here is John's storage room. A lot of that stuff will probably end up downstairs on the wheel and tire racks, but for now,
So this is John's room?
this is John's hideout.
Is it just storage or will he be living here?
Yes?
I don't know what that means. So let's take a look. This stuff looks pretty familiar. Oh look, more teal pieces.
Everyone's favorite flavor.
Oh, all right. Well, it's warm in here, so we gotta get out of here.
Next room. Oh, Teddy, welcome back.
Carry on. Don't mind. Carry on. Don't mind me.
Next room. This is the library, or I've been instructed to refer to it as the study. There will be all the coloring books that you could shake a crayon on, around. How did I end up with this? Who gave me technology?
He just likes holding big black things, isn't that right? Can't put that in the video.
Living room number 2 of some sort.
Oh, so this is living room number 2. This is huge. What are you gonna put in here?
Auto Factory Realize. Let me show you this room
Okay.
over here. It's a kind of an odd shade of gold. Definitely not as cool as Auto Factory Realize teal, but
So it's kind of a gold star room.
ooh, there's no Coors Light cans in here.
Oh. Let's take a look. Wow, this is really gold with some pearl in it. Teddy, what are you doing? What are you doing, man? Can you get out there? Well, let's send Teddy first since he's like 90 pounds. Wow, there you go. Send him out there. There we go. We like that. How's that?
I'm a little afraid of heights, so.
I like that. All right.
On with the tour.
Looks like we're going to be following him into another portion of the warehouse.
The north wing.
What? Dude, you look like one of the pirates on the Pirates of the Caribbean ride.
I'm afraid of heights.
Here's the kitchen.
This is a kitchen of some sort. Dishwasher, cutting board. There's a hole underneath it for a stove. We'll get to that later.
Oh,
The important part is this period correct oven with
a working light. Amazing.
working light.
Wow. Teddy? Oh, so you found your way. Do you need help?
I
Tell us about
hate,
your experience.
I hate you. There's raccoons and cockroaches up there.
Look at all these option videos.
Option. I love option videos.
Cool.
Chuck, those aren't option videos. Turn the camera away. Chuck, those aren't option videos.
Don't look.
Oh, what's in this room? This is the last room, I think.
Yeah, why don't you go check it out?
Ah, check. This is. Oh, it's kind of. Oh. Where does this? Chuck, what are you doing?
Tyler's at charge.
Oh God. No, Chuck. We don't have time for this. Chuck, we don't have time. We're on a tight schedule.
I have time.
What are you doing?
It's broken. Bro, it's just broken.
It's not broken. The wheel is just turned. What an idiot. What an idiot. Chuck, you're making marks. Do you need lessons?
Try it. Show me.
Let me show you how it's done. Take this.
Didn't he just say that you were making marks in there?
Oh, it's okay. He's only, like, what, 80 pounds?
That's the secret?
Did you break an axle?
I was about to say, I think that's the longest I've seen Teddy drift in about a decade without breaking something.
How sketchy is that thing?
Were you taking notes? Were you taking notes, yes or no?
You want me to take notes of how you almost just ran me over?
That was skill. Pure skill. You think I did that by accident?
You tried to mow me down? I don't know what that was. Well, that wraps up this extensive tour of John's new shop space. Thanks, Tyler.
Yeah, thanks for coming by. Come back next month when we're going to have a barbecue, and hopefully we'll have stuff put away.
I think we'll be back. What'd you think, Chuck?
I thought it was really cool. I can't wait to see it all put together.
I agree. All right, well, that just about wraps up this week's video. And if you guys are new on the channel, do us a favor and check out some of the other videos. We've got new ones every single Friday.
That's a lie. That's a lie. You didn't have one last Friday.
Well, that one was a fluke.
Well, I'm glad we're still doing this. Don't forget to hit that like button down below. Yeah!